Hi, hello, welcome to my channel hashtag PA Brand. Thousands of students are being protesting at Delhi Jantar Mantar, depending justice over NEET paper leak. But this story isn't just about exam anymore. It's about trust, accountability, and the future of millions of students right now. Let's understand what's happening. The movement began online with Abhijit Deepke, whose campaign quickly gained attention across social media. What initially started as an online protest has now grown into worldwide movement, with students, professors, parents and supporters have joined together in Delhi across India. Right now, not only Delhi but other cities also, like Leh Ladakh, Dehradun, Patna, Bihar and Karnataka too. In Bangalore, Chitradurga, everywhere the protests are happening.
हम लेके रहेंगे तुम कुछ भी कर लो तेरा पंजरा में जाल निकालना पड़ेगा यानी उठ जा भुखमारी से भेदभाव से
ಧರ್ಮೇಂದ್ರ ಪ್ರಧಾನ್ ರಾಜೀನಾಮೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ತೊಲಗಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ದೇಶದ ಪ್ರಧಾನಿನೇ ಹೋಗಬೇಕಾದಂತ ಸಂದರ್ಭ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅನ್ನೋದು.
ರಾಮ ರಾಜ್ಯ ಅಂತಾರಲ್ಲ, ಇದು ರಾಮರಾಜ್ಯ, ರಾವಣ ರಾಜ್ಯ, ದುಷ್ಟರ ರಾಜ್ಯವಾಗಿದೆ. ಇವತ್ತು ಅವರಿಗೆ ಉತ್ತರವನ್ನು ಕೊಡಲೇಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ.
Despite Delhi police actions, how the students were brutally beaten by the police, after that also the protest begins all over the world.
ये मुद्दा कांग्रेस समाजवादी पार्टी बीजेपी का नहीं है, ये मुद्दा युवाओं और छात्र नौजवानों का है. नहीं सुनी जाएगी तो सड़कों पे आएंगे. और जो सरकार ने व्यवहार किया है, इस्तीफा तो क्या है, इस्तीफा तो जब चाहेंगे तब मंत्री ले लेंगे, सदन के बाद ले लेंगे. लेकिन सवाल ये जो छात्रों के साथ व्यवहार हुआ है, उनके हाथ तोड़े, सर तोड़ा, उनके कपड़े फाड़े, क्या बेटियों के कपड़े फाड़ेंगे आप?
Reports also describe supporting from Indians living abroad. With the volunteers helping organize deliveries and basic needs to the students to continue their peaceful protest.
भाई ज़ेप्टो और ज़ोमैटो, स्विगी, रैपिडो जितने भी भाई लोग हैं उनके लिए पेट्रोल फ्री रख रहे. घर से बोलो भारत माता की जय.
They are even ordering foods and basic needs to the students in Jantar Mantar.
भाई साहब हम यहाँ देखो यहाँ कितना बुरा हाल है. लोग बागों ने इतना खाना बेच दिया.
These shows that the people who are believing in the cause are finding different ways to contribute, even the hundreds and thousands kilometers away. I request who are contributing in this particular protest, try to check with the official organizers to verify volunteer groups to make sure your contributing is useful and reaches the right person. This protest is about our students who have given their best for years. Many students have contributed their late nights, missed festivals, countless mock tests. But when allegations of paper leak emerge, one question echoes all over the country. Was all that hard work was enough? Day after day, the students are still there protesting for them, for the future. Not because they're enjoying the protesting, but because they're believing the future deserves justice. If you're not a part of Jantar Mantar, our Delhi protest, you can be a part of it, staying at home. If you want to contribute anything, please consider not only food, but you can also contribute some basic medicines, sanitary products, first aid supplies, blankets, to the students who are protesting there. If this story moved you, share it with others. Stay informed, support responsibly, and remember, a fair future for students benefits the entire nation. Hope you like this video. Please share, please comment, please subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.